Realizing the necessity of good quality riding shoes came to my mind after this traumatic event.
Where we have to go? There was another road. Get down, get down. Get down. Lift the bike, lift the bike. My leg slipped, Ray.
I started searching for a pair that could afford full protection without compromising on style. Opting for a casual yet safe design, I found clarity in knowing that clean aesthetics were just as essential as functionality when it comes to choosing the right gear. That's when I found these.
बस बंद करो अपना ये ड्रामा।
So what is up, YouTube? So this is a hands-on review or the legs-on review, whatever you want to say, of the Clan's Urban Stealth Edition riding boots. And trust me guys, trust me, the experience on this so far has been so buttery smooth. This is my first riding boot, so I don't know how other boots also feel, but this boot, when I saw them, I was so sure that these are going to suit my lifestyle, my purpose of owning a riding shoe very well.
So straight from the box, you get this pair of black and tinge of grey beauties, a pair of extra laces and this coat. As mentioned, if you are a rider, you will need it. Talking about its material, it's made up of abrasion resistant oil genuine leather and anti-scratch rubberized protection for the gear shifter contact section along with high density dual color rubber sole. Now why the black and grey color?
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
मैंने उस लम तुझे प्यार किया,
अच्छा,
और तूने उस लम मुझे धोखा दिया.
The Clan company has managed to provide all necessary point of protection, starting from the toe, the heel, as well as the ankle joints. So you get all the protection you need.
And the good thing about is the head and ankle cutoff, which they have provided for discomfort even if you are riding or resting.
Clan has also provided some additional features, including the elastic band that holds your shoelaces. Also a small reflector that is very practical, I feel, during the night rides.
Also, there are different colors which you can choose as per your taste. ये तू बोल ही मत.
Now if you're worried about the fit and size of your feet, then don't you worry. Clan is handling it their way.
Available in heroic range of sizes with options going all the way up to size 13, because every foot, big or small, deserves to feel like a superhero.
Now there is no doubt about the durability of these bad boys, as I've been using them since a very long time.
Rain or shine, these shoes have got your back. The waterproof version ensures your feet stay dry, with waterproofing that reaches impressive heights.
Now if you're opting for the non-waterproof version of these shoes, then weatherproofing will be limited.
The non-waterproof version comes at the price of Rs 5799 and you have to spend an extra 1000 rupees for the waterproof variant. Note, their prices change as and when their sale period is going on.
Now I got these boots personally during the Holi sale, as I was getting 1000 rupees off on a minimum order of 4000.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता.
So So I felt it was worth the purchase, and I got the waterproof version only because the rains are also around the corner, and I got fairly a good time to test them out and give you guys a good review about it.
Now, the main question, should you buy it?
Now I know these boots cannot be compared to the professional riding boots or racing boots, which are pretty high in length, but if you want style and comfort along with protection and don't want to look odd in public, then you can definitely go for these, man. You can wear them actually for any occasions, I feel, like your daily commutes, even your office, as well as casual outings as well, and even for long rides.
जलवा है हमारा।
इतना सब कर ही लिया है, तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस भी बताओ।
Now it's been 2 months since these are with me, and I've tested them thoroughly, and I'm actually loving the comfort level on these shoes, man. Definitely worth the purchase. Initially they might feel heavy, but I feel all the riding boots are that way because of the armor levels, and I'm very thankful for Clan that they have provided the gear shifter protection layer for the boot so that it doesn't wear and tear the looks of that particular section of the boot. And the main reason for buying a riding shoe after the incident, that whatever happened, was for their grips, and Clan hasn't disappointed me in that. So salute to you, Clan. In spite of all these, I have just one concern. Although they provided a cut on the heel and the ankle section, it feels kinda hard sometimes. It becomes a bit uncomfortable. If that is only when you're in a sitting position, if you're sitting in the office or a chair. I hope Clan just listens to this and makes that part a bit more comfortable. Other than that, since these are waterproof versions of these shoes, there's no ventilation. So that's it for the day, guys. I shall see you in another amazing adventure or encounter that we'll be getting. Peace out. सुकून मिलता है इससे